Welcome back, everyone. You're tuning in to the Easy English Podcast. Today we're diving deep into a topic that resonates with all of us. Whether you're a seasoned pro at mornings or someone who still hits that snooze button. My morning routine. Trust me, this is going to be enlightening, and I can guarantee you'll want to stay until the end.
Wow. Morning routines? I've heard people say they change their lives, but I don't really know where to start. How does it even work?
Great question. A morning routine is essentially what you do every day when you rise and shine. Think of your morning like a rehearsal for the main show of the day. The better the opening scene, the better the rest of the performance. I aim for a wake-up time of 7 a.m. is vital. If that scene is weak, the rest of my day might be off too.
Right, that makes sense. So what's the first thing you do after you wake up?
After waking up, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. It may sound trivial, but this routine helps clear my mind and signal to my body that the day has begun. It's like flipping a switch. Without it, I'd probably feel half asleep all day.
Oh man, I can totally relate. Sometimes I feel like a zombie in the morning, just dragging myself around. So, you brush your teeth first? Interesting.
Exactly. Then I take a shower and get dressed. This is super important because it really wakes me up. You know how they say some people have a wake-up shower? For me, it's like stepping into a waterfall of energy. This invigorating moment is a must.
Waterfall of energy. I need that. Do you ever skip your shower and feel guilty? It feels like skipping leg day at the gym.
Yes, it does feel that way, but I seriously try not to skip it. After my shower, I eat breakfast, hands down, my favorite meal. Honestly, nothing beats starting the day off right.
Okay, so wait, what's your go-to breakfast? I need inspiration here.
French toast. Who can resist that, right? I pair it with fresh fruits and maybe a little maple syrup. It's like treating yourself to a morning hug.
Oh wow, French toast. Honestly, I'm more of a cereal person. Sometimes I wonder if I'm missing out.
It's never too late to upgrade your breakfast. Speaking of which, what do you usually do when you first wake up?
Well, sometimes I just scroll my phone for a long time, which I feel bad about. Is that a bad idea?
It can be. While scrolling might feel casual, it can pull you into a rabbit hole. Instead of that, try setting a positive intention for the day. It can transform how you start.
Oh wow, positive intention. Like a morning mantra? That sounds cool.
Absolutely. You could start with something like, "Today, I will bring my best self to everything I do." This small shift can make a big difference.
So interesting. Okay, so after breakfast, do you go for coffee or tea? What's your pick?
I lean towards a cup of coffee. Think of it as my magical potion that wakes me up. Everyone thrives on something different.
Magical potion? That's hilarious. What if I tried an herbal tea instead? Would that still work?
Of course. Any drink that makes you feel energized and focused can serve that purpose. It's all about finding what makes you feel alive.
I love that perspective. So do you have a little ritual after these steps?
Yes, I prepare for my day by reviewing my tasks, planning, and even a little meditation to ground myself. It sets my mind right for whatever comes.
Wow, that sounds really calming. So in summary, all of this transforms a boring morning into a power-packed start.
Exactly. So listeners, just remember, morning routines are not just a checklist. They're your opportunity to set the tone for your day. A well-structured routine can genuinely be the difference between chaos and clarity.
Thank you for breaking it down. I totally can't wait to try this.
And that wraps up our discussion today on my morning routine. Now it's your turn to think about your mornings and how you can make them better. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thanks for joining us. And don't forget to tune in next time for more engaging discussions. Have a wonderful day.